Arizona Wildcats, welcome to the Plagiarism Awareness Workshop. My name is Armando, and I'm with the Dean of Students Office, and I'll be your facilitator in this entire workshop. So chances are you've already taken our academic integrity training, and maybe some of the concepts here will be resonating with you throughout the entire workshop. At least, that's my hope, right? But then again, before we actually kick off the training, let me just go ahead and address the big elephant in the room, which is you are not necessarily in big trouble, right? In fact, plagiarism violations are pretty common, and that may be because you may not really be aware of the proper way to cite a source, or maybe you come from a different educational background that did not really enact the plagiarism policies. But within the University of Arizona, plagiarism is kind of a big deal, and at least through every other university campus. And we'll talk about this more as we go more in depth in the workshop, right? But at the end of the day, I want to let you all know that this is an educational intervention. It's not really to get you in trouble, but it's just to help you make these better decisions in the future and educate you on the policies established by the Arizona Board of Regents. So do not get me wrong though, plagiarism is still a big deal. Just because this is not really us getting you into trouble doesn't mean that it's okay to plagiarize, right? We'll talk about the different types of plagiarism. We'll talk about how you can avoid it in the future. And then we'll also touch upon everyone's favorite, artificial intelligence, because it seems like it's taking over the world. And that's exciting, right? Yeah, so those are just some of the concepts that we'll be covering in this workshop specifically. Some of the things you can really take away from it are, you'll learn what plagiarism is, you'll learn how to avoid plagiarism in the future. We'll talk about a couple of case studies that relate to the real world and why plagiarism is made such a big deal on every single campus within the United States. And lastly, we'll touch upon ChatGPT, of course, because that's everyone's thing now. So it's very likely you're taking this training on Edge Learning, which is an amazing software that has really helped us, really step up our game, as you can see with all this. Some of the things you can expect from Edge is that you'll be looking at a series of short videos. At the conclusion of each video, you'll be answering a couple of questions to ensure you're retaining the knowledge that you gain from it. So make sure you're paying attention. I really try my best to make these videos very engaging. So grab a snack, sit back, listen, take notes if that's your thing. Oh, before I forget, there is one key thing that I forgot to mention, and that is that you do not really have to email us once you complete the workshop. We check the workshop completions every single Friday, so we'll know if you finished it or not, right? Edge Learning tells us the completion percentage on it. But if you do have any clarifying questions, of course, I'll go ahead and put the email on screen right now. You can reach out to us. We're happy to help clarify any concepts, or if you're just confused on a certain topic, then go ahead and reach out to us and we'll be able to help you out. But other than that, I really hope you enjoyed the training, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.